Welcome back to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. Today we're doing something very different. We are doing a kitchen tour for our 100th video. So we'll start our series with this video. Every week we will release one every Friday to celebrate our 100th video. Thank you for your support. We are starting our kitchen tour series. Today we're on Boat Quay visiting our friend Harvest Seafood Restaurant, where we will be making a very tasty fried rice. The ingredients are right in front of us. So we'll start by cutting our lettuce and then simply return it to our plate. Then we can move on to our scallops. We split our scallops into fours, and that is all that is needed. Then we move on to our shrimp and cut it into smaller pieces. Then we pour our beef. We simply give it a rough chop so that it's easier to eat in our fried rice. And finally our chicken. So we give it a good rough chop as well, and that's it for this. So this fried rice is very simple. The ingredients only involve 5. Now we heat our wok with this beautiful flame until it's very hot. Then we sprinkle some oil, spread it over our wok. Then we can add 2 eggs to it. As you can see, the egg cooks immediately. Then we can pour in our meat, stir it around until the flavor is released. We add some salt, some umami MSG, some garlic, and some cooking wine. Then we stir everything around. Then we can add our scallop and shrimp to it as well, because those cook fast, so we can add it last. Then after a few stir, we pour in our rice. We smash our rice down until each grain is separated. Once that is well stirred, we drizzle some soy sauce over the top for added flavor. Then we pour our lettuce to complete this dish. Look at the beauty of this. Isn't this beautiful? Smells very good as well. So as you can see, our fried rice is in front of us. It's looking beautiful. This place is, as you can see in the back, is bustling. Everyone is here to eat and find their favorite dishes today. Okay, now let's give this a try. So now it's time to try this beautiful fried rice. Look at this. We have everything. It's like a Yong Chow fried rice, but then it's the Amazing Kitchen version. So let's see. Let's try the beef. Nice and tender. Let's try the rice. The key to a good fried rice is to have all the rice separated, not to stick together. So the rice, when cooking, is very important. And controlling the fire, which Chinese call wok hei, is very important also to give it a lot of flavor. As you can see, I didn't put a lot of ingredients, but the flavor is intense. It's something that you cannot get at home, only at restaurants because of the flame you saw earlier. Okay, let's try some more. perfect. The shrimp is nice and tender. This is such a simple dish, but so difficult to get right. Amazing. Scallop. Nice and bouncy. Perfect with a nice coconut. A fresh coconut to go with it. So, if you like what you see today, remember to subscribe. And this is the first episode of our series of kitchen tours. So make sure you check our following series that we post weekly. Until next time, bye now. Bon appetit.